Hey guys, welcome back to Angie's Table. So on our previous video for Buldak chicken, we promised you guys that we're going to be making a video on what to do with the leftovers, which we have right here. There was this one time Grace randomly microwaved it up the next day and it made the best queso. I searched everywhere and I can't find anyone else who has made a Buldak queso, so we are going to be the first here and on Angie's table. On Angie's table, and it's so good. So follow along with our video to make this recipe. Also, we are going to be making a Buldak fried chicken. No. A Buldak fried rice, sorry, which is also tasty. So let's get started. So now we are going to take half of what we have left here and microwave it up. This is literally the simplest recipe. You just take your leftover Buldak chicken, microwave it, and you're done. And just dip some tortilla chips in it. Hello, Poopy. So let's take this Buldak chicken and transfer it over so that we can microwave it. That's enough. So I'm gonna cut up some avocados to place on top of the queso because that color contrast will be on point. Are waiting on the queso to be done. We have Fritos, right? Isn't that good?
Tastes better with the Fritos. I love it.
I kind of like the
Tortilla chip?
yeah, because it's so
lighter.
thin.
Good. Somehow it works really well.
Because it's creamy too, you know? And now we're gonna make our fried rice. Make sure when you're making fried rice that you always use cold rice, because when it's hot fresh rice, it kind of mushes and you can't taste every single grain in there. Make sure to have cold rice, and all we need to do is mix the Buldak chicken and this cold rice, and oh, we're not gonna need oil because the Buldak chicken already has enough oil from the cheese. So let's get started. Let's add all the chicken. We had a good amount left, huh? Add the rice into. So one of the things that I like doing is just finding random ingredients from the refrigerator, pantry, and freezer and making a meal out of it. I don't like to throw out my leftovers. I always keep it, whether I freeze it or eat it the next day, and I make a new menu out of it, and it's usually really good. So let us know if you guys are interested, because we wanted to do a segment on it. There's a show in Korea called 냉장고를 부탁해, which translates to please take care of my fridge. It's on Netflix. Huh?
I don't think that's what they're...
Yeah, I don't think that's what it's called, but it kind of translates into that. And so like there's celebrity star chefs that come out. The celebrities, they'll have their physical refrigerator shipped to the studio along with like some pantry items, and the star chefs will make them a meal using the ingredients that they have. I used to watch it all the time in college. and out of college too. But we thought it'd be interesting, fun, and interactive if we do a segment like that. So let us know if you guys are interested, because we can do a complete blinded, just walk into whatever Grace has in her fridge and make something out of that. I think it'd be kind of fun.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Yeah. This is such a good way to use all your leftover food. It's like fried rice is the simplest thing, I think.
Ooh, that's spicy.
Right?
Yeah.
So we wanted to share with you guys some ways to utilize your leftover buldak, and I really hope you guys try it out because it seriously is good, and every person that Grace has made it for said it's really good. Make sure to check out our buldak video, and we hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we'll see you guys on our next one.